So we look at example 2 on the back. We're going to deal with clockwise rotations. So if we look at a clockwise rotation, okay, think the direction a clock goes. So if this is 12 o'clock, the time goes this way, right? So that is clockwise, okay? So if we want to rotate this figure 90 degrees, so one quadrant, so it's going to land in this quadrant here, clockwise, because that's the way the clock goes. We don't really have a rule for that, but we do have rules for counterclockwise rotations. So a 90 degrees clockwise is actually the same as 1, 2, 3, so 270 counter. So 90 degrees clockwise is the same as 270 counterclockwise. Because we want to jump one quadrant clockwise, well, to go their counter, we're jumping 3 quadrants. And when you do a 270 degree rotation, you're jumping 3 quadrants counterclockwise. So that's what we're going to do. We are going to do a 270 degree counterclockwise rotation, and that's the same as a 90 clockwise. So again, I'm going to write down these points. S is located at -5, -2. P is located at -4, -4. R is located at -3, -3. And Q is located at -3, -4. So when we do a 270 degree rotation, S prime is going to be located at flip the point. Sorry. So I'm going to go through and flip each point. So the X and Y trade places. Then 270 and 90 we flip. And with 270, we change the sign of the second. So these are all negative, so all the second numbers now are going to turn positive. So then we have -2, 5, -4, 4, -3, 3, and -4, 3. And there we go. So S prime, P prime, R prime, and Q prime. If we look at B, we want to rotate this figure 180 degrees clockwise. Well, again, go the same direction as a clock. So we would jump 1, 2 quadrants. So we want to land here. That's 180 clockwise. Well, let's see what that is going counter. 1, 2. We still jump 2 counterclockwise. Well, that's a 180 degree rotation. Okay? 180, it doesn't matter. Whether you're going clockwise or counterclockwise, it's the same. Okay? You're still jumping 2 quadrants. Okay? So 180 clockwise is the same as 180 counterclockwise. 180 doesn't really matter. Whether it's this counter or clockwise, you're just doing a 180 degree rotation. So if we take a look at D, we have -5, 4. A is at -4, 1. B is at -2, 1. And C is at -2, 3. So with 180, again, you don't flip your point at all. You just change the signs of all the numbers. So that's going to become +5, -4, +4, -1, +2, -1, +2, -3. Plot your new points, and we land in the quadrant we wanted to land in. And there we go. D prime, B prime, A prime, and C prime. You can probably have figured out what a 270 clockwise rotation is. Again, if we rotate clockwise 270, that's 1, 2, 3 quadrants. Well, that's the same as a 90-degree counter. Okay, so a 90-degree clockwise is the same as 270 counter, and a 270 clockwise is the same as a 90-degree counter, so they're kind of opposites. Oh, let's flip this 90 degrees counterclockwise. So A is located at negative 5, 2. B is located at negative 2, 1. C is located at negative 3, 3. So 90 degree, again, we're going to flip each point, so the X and the Y trade places. When we're counting, 90 comes first, so we're going to change the sign of the first. So all the first numbers are positive. They're now going to turn negative. So we have negative 2, negative 5, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 3. So that is A prime.